In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video clip in your editing software. This is a super handy skill to have, whether you're dealing with clips that were shot in the wrong orientation or you're trying to switch up the visual style of your project. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to import your footage into your editing software and drag the video clip that you want to rotate into the timeline. This is the essential starting point for any video editing project, ensuring you have your materials ready to work with. Once your clip is in the timeline, the next step is to ensure you can access the tools you need to apply changes. Select the clip by clicking on it and then navigate to the Window menu at the top of your screen. From this drop-down, select Effect Controls. If this panel isn't already visible, this will open it for you, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments to your clip. Now that you have the Effect Controls panel open, look for the section labeled Motion. It's within this area that you'll find the rotation parameter. This is where the magic happens. By default, this option should be visible once you've selected your clip. To rotate your video, you'll need to change the rotation value. This might sound tricky, but it's as simple as typing a number. Let's explore a few common scenarios. If you're transitioning from landscape to portrait mode, you'll want to set the rotation to 90 degrees, or, if you need to rotate the other way, to -90 degrees. If your clip appears upside down, you can set the rotation to 180 degrees to flip it upright again. You may notice that after setting the desired rotation, black bars or clipped edges might appear around your video. This is perfectly normal when you change the orientation of a clip. To address this, use the Scale and Position settings also found under the Motion section. These allow you to zoom in on the frame or move it around to ensure the image fills the screen in a pleasing way, keeping your visuals intact and professional looking. Here's a little tip. If you're working with multiple clips that require the same rotation adjustments, you can save yourself some time. Instead of rotating each clip individually, apply the rotation to an adjustment layer placed above all the clips, or you can nest the sequence. This way, the change will apply to all clips simultaneously, which is particularly useful for maintaining consistency across your project. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to rotate any clip with ease, eliminating any incorrect orientations quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!